This is the moment the automotive world has been waiting for. BMW has finally unleashed the M9, and they're not just entering the supercar space, they're reshaping it. Bearing the bold tagline, "The future of supercars has arrived," the 2026 BMW M9 is a visceral, technological, and aesthetic statement from Munich, a machine engineered to stand shoulder to shoulder with the most revered names in the world. Let's start with the heart of this beast, performance. The M9 is powered by a revolutionary hybrid-assisted powertrain. This isn't just a nod to electrification, it's a full commitment to brutal, instantaneous power. Beneath the aggressively sculpted deck lid lies a twin-turbocharged V8 engine seamlessly integrated with a high-output electric performance system. The combined output is nothing short of breathtaking, pushing deep into the hypercar territory. While exact figures have been guarded, reports suggest a staggering combined horsepower exceeding 800 instantly delivered via an advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system. The result? A claimed 0 to 60 sprint shattered in a mind-bending 2.6 seconds, with a top speed that climbs well over 200 miles per hour. This is the new pinnacle of the ultimate driving machine. The M9's design is a dramatic evolution of BMW's MDNA, prioritizing aerodynamic intelligence as much as pure aesthetics. The body is a masterclass in carbon fiber and lightweight aluminum construction, sculpted low and wide for maximum road presence and downforce. Up front, the iconic kidney grille has been reimagined, a functional, illuminated vertical fixture that channels air for both cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. Flanking it are ultra-slim, razor-sharp laser light headlights that give the M9 an unmistakable predatory gaze. Every line, every vent, and especially the aggressive quad exhaust and massive rear diffuser serves an explicit performance purpose. Active aerodynamics are integrated throughout, with a deployable rear wing that adjusts in real time to driving conditions, ensuring optimal stability whether carving corners or rocketing down a straight. Step inside, and the M9 transitions from a race-bred machine to a luxurious, futuristic command center. The cabin is driver-focused, utilizing a blend of sustainable, high-tech materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and precision-milled aluminum. The centerpiece of the cockpit is BMW's next-generation curved full digital display, seamlessly integrating the instrument cluster and the latest iDrive 9 system. This system is heavily tailored for performance, offering a suite of configurable M-specific readouts, including real-time G-forces, torque distribution, and a dedicated Track Plus mode. But the real revolution is in the M9's technology and features. This supercar is engineered to think.